Hey everybody, Mr. Kaczynski here. Moving on to Skill 3 in Section F of IXL's 8th grade math. Today it's solving equations with variable exponents. And really, this is just a fancy way for IXL to get you to kind of work backwards with exponents, to take expressions like 100 and write them in exponential form. Because another way to think about 100 is to think about it as 10 to some unknown power. And with powers of 10, actually, you can just count the zeros. There's two zeros, so we know this is 10 squared. So 10 to the power of d equals 10 squared. Well, if that's the case, doesn't d equal 2? And that's our solution. D equals 2. So since 10 squared is 100, d is 2. All right, so a little bit different here, but again, we need to think about what is 16 written as a power of 2. 2 squared is 4. 2 to the third would be 4 times 2, which is 8. And 2 to the fourth would be that 8 times 2, which is 16. So this is 2 to the fourth power. So that tells us right there what u is. If 2 to the u equals 2 to the 4, then u equals 4. So 5 to what power equals 125? 5 to what power equals 125? That would be 5 to the third power. 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 times 5 is 125. So s equals 3. Getting it? It's not much to it. This one, though, might get some people. They might wonder, what the heck is this all about? Remember that anything to the power of 0 is 1. So 10 to the 0 power is 1. That's why q is 1. And then just a couple more with these powers of 10 as IXL gets to the higher smart scores. It starts giving us these. Again, we're just trying to write 100,000 as a power of 10. So the easiest way is just to count the zeros. 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 to the fifth power is 100,000. That's why c equals 5. Last one. 10 to the power of z equals 10 million. So 10 million's got 3, 6, 7 zeros, so that's why z must equal 7. All right, so that's a very basic idea of solving equations with variable exponents, and that'll get you going today. Good luck.